Hey guys, so this is a little tip with Boogaloo. Our shoulders are going to be helping us control our body and our feet. So I just want to talk a little bit about form first, because I think form is kind of like what you need to know. Like, so if we're just going to lean out, naturally the thing to do is the shoulder wants to come up and our hips want to come out more to kind of help us keep balance, right? And to compensate for that. So that's the form, is where you think of this shoulder to hip line. There's a line here, and then when you're stretching it, the line really stretches out. So this is our form, right? So our shoulders are going to be up, and then we can kind of like come up, and then you notice how the form changes now to a line. But there's always this stable line from shoulder to hip, and this is like what really like helps us with our form and our balance and everything. So even if we're in the middle, this is like a fairly neutral kind of position here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like when we're doing all these positions, boom, our shoulders are going to be like helping us a lot. So even when I'm here and I'm doing a roll forwards, it's like the shoulders are helping us a lot. Because you think about like a cobra, the shoulders are still doing something, right? So when we're in a position like this, there's really like that arch in the hips. Our shoulders are like kind of like creating that form, right? So even when we're here, and then when we want to roll in or sink back, the shoulders are what controls the sinking, right? So even if I take an angle like this and then roll the shoulder back, boom, the shoulder is what helps that movement, right? So boom, 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 bam, bam. See, all of these angles, they're like shoulders, right? So think about that with Boogaloo. Take the neutral position like this again, and now try and just raise your shoulder up. And you've got a new form. Back to the middle, shoulder up. Try and turn your shoulder back maybe. And it's dictated the way this foot has moved, because when we move our shoulder, it can control our footwork too. So that's the thing I want to show you in this video, is how your shoulders can change form and change your footwork. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, so if I do this, shoulders down, maybe shoulder up here, shoulder up here, bam, bam, middle here, roll it back, sink in like the cobra, maybe out, come out again, or like maybe turn it, drop the shoulder down, the shoulder can come around like this, and you notice the footwork is changing a lot. So come back to this position again, and drop the shoulder down, boom, and stretch this shoulder across. Now the leg is straight, right? And if we come up, you'll notice that the legs can change with all these angles. So really use your shoulders a lot, guys. So again, let's try the same thing, right? So drop the shoulder down, bring it across. But let's try and stay in more of a lunging position as we do this, right? Here, up, down, here, drop this shoulder down. Or let's see how far back we can come with the shoulder, like maybe here, and now bring the shoulder up. Oh. See, it's quite difficult to do that if I come all the way around. And then I'll try like bring the shoulder up, boom, bam, boom, here. Bam. Boom. Bam. Boom. Bam. Boom. Bam. Boom. So even if we're just like stationary, like up here, we can kind of like create this boom, like shoulder can still lift this leg up, right? Like one. So let's try that. Let's try go shoulder up. Or now let's try the opposite shoulder like this. Boom. So it's like leaning back. 1, 2, 3. Or let's try lift this up like this. Up, up, or back. And from here, what I like to do is use your shoulder to kind of like turn inwards. So the shoulder comes up and then in and down. But synchronize that with the knee. So up, boom. Right? So watch this. If I go up and back, forwards, bam. And then I go like up with the other shoulder and in, we can come to this sitting position, right? And if I do that quick, it's like bam, 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 bam. Or like up, in, out. Or we could try this one up. 1, boom. We can try lean. So actually I did that a little bit wrong, but let's show you again. Come up. And now we want to bam, land into it like this, sorry. And now this leg, what we're going to do is we just want to go like sink down a little bit and then boom, bring the shoulder in. So the full motion is like this. Up, bam, in, then sink down, and then shoulder comes in, bam, like that. So, like 1, bam, 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 like that. And then from there we can go like straight legs, up. Or what we can do is we can come up like this. You can control like the legs. Boom, 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 up. So that's another thing is we can kind of go like, can use that to bring our legs up like this. Here, and then the shoulder coming down is what's gonna like help us slide, right? 1, 2, 3, or we can come up like this. Up, down, up, down. And if we can do like just straight up and downs, we can also use the rolls as well, right? So up, and we can like bring that shoulder back to move the leg back with it. Right? Boom, boom. And the other shoulder can do the same thing. Back, 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 forwards, forwards, forwards. And then if we're in like this lunging position, what happens is we go like back, down, forwards. We have all these ways of like shifting position, right? So we can have like a straight leg, back, up, forwards, down, down, boom, 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 boom. Or what we can do is like roll both of them back, open up the chest, or we can roll them both forwards and get like this sink. If you want, you could have it even lower like this. We could like lift that back, lift it up, like this, straight legs. So like play around with like what you can do with your shoulder from there. Boom, 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 boom. So here's another thing I'll show you. If we can do this, we can come down like down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. So we can kind of like change levels like that. We can go down, down, up, up. Or we can do the same thing backwards, right? So back, back, forwards, forwards, back, back, forwards, forwards. We'll try the other way. Back, back, forwards, forwards, back, back, forwards, forwards. So using our shoulders, we can control our body a lot. Like, I'll show you another thing. So just drop one shoulder down like suddenly, like boom. Looks pretty cool. Or the other shoulder, boom. Right? And then we can boom. So we can do like this, boom, boom, like ting, ting, kind of like a hydraulic kind of effect. Shoulder down, shoulder down, shoulder up, shoulder up, shoulder down, shoulder down. Maybe the other shoulder comes up this time. Boom, 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 down, down, up, up. Or watch this. If I send my shoulders up even more, I can like bring the legs in. Like we can like slide them in like that. Or what we can do is we can kind of like, as we drop our shoulders down, we can also come down or up, or like maybe one down, the other down, the other one up, the other one up. So with the pivots, you can also roll with that, like rolling. I know the electric Boogaloos, they do like boom, tap, zoom, tap, zoom, like the twist with it. Boom, tap, boom, tap, boom, tap, boom. So the head and shoulders, they have this swing to them. It's like a swing, 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 boom. So that's another thing is you can swing your body, boom, boom, bam, bam, bam. Swing it this way, bam, swing, bam. Or you can use that momentum from the swing and come back with it, right? So we can swing, 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 boom, bam, bam, bam. And that momentum is good to help us like with spins and stuff. So 1, 2, 3. You know what I mean? So we can also, yeah, like use that. Boom, tap, 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 boom. You roll it in as the knee comes in here, and then maybe you want to come up, in, back, in, switch shoulders, boom, roll this back as this comes up, and the legs change. So as we roll this back, our knee comes down, bam, bam, or step back, up, here, bam, 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 bam. And another thing I use a lot, which is with my bam, I use this kind of like stepping the shoulders. Like here, I step with the shoulders coming back, right? Boom, tap, boom, tap, boom, tap, boom, tap, boom, tap, bam, 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 bam. Let's try it from this angle. Bam, 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 bam. So So yeah, play around with that, guys. I hope that helps. Use your shoulders for footwork, and I'm wearing this bandana just because I had a haircut and I just don't want all the hair to go on my eyes and stuff like that. So this is just going to stop all the loose hairs going in my eyes because I haven't had a shower yet. I'm about to take the shower now. Yeah, get nice and fresh and clean, guys. So peace out. Have a good day.